The concept of Instacart just really interests me because I feel like it's the hardest to master, but probably the most rewarding once you do figure it out. So let's go online at Publix today. $13, 23 items, $14, 49 items, no thank you. Publix, 42 items, $12. Food Lion, 16 items, $12. So it's Saturday afternoon. I'm gonna DoorDash tonight in this area, so I figured I would come early. Another one. $9 Food Lion, 17 from Costco. Look at all these popping in. All right, Saturday is looking pretty good so far. Another one, $32 from Publix. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, it's 40 miles away though. I kind of care more about how much I make per mile right now. Harris Teeter, $18, 53 items. Another one, Publix, 23, where is it? All right, I'll do this. Yeah, we got this. Now, I've only done a couple Instacart batches. I've never done one where it's two different customers at the same store. No, I'm here. Wait. Oh. We're at the wrong Publix? I don't think it matters. I think I can shop here anyway. Okay, we're gonna come back to produce at the end. Oh yeah, also, I was watching one video and she texted both customers. Just like a, hey, can't wait to get your food. Short and sweet. All right, meats, let's go. Pork neck bone, I've never heard of that. Okay, they're like chunky pieces. Shoulder style ribs, spare ribs, center cut. Man, why neck bone? I've never heard of a neck bone, but it has every other piece of, oh wait, no, that's lamb again. This looks exactly like, okay, so this is lamb neck. Oh, there's labels. Pork loin, tenderloin, shoulder, shoulder, neck, 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 shoulder. I wonder if they'd be somewhere else. Fresh pork neck bones. This is a terrible start. I don't know. Purdue breasts, not ground. Purdue, 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 not ground. That's all the Purdue. There's no ground Purdue. Okay, this is terrible. I'm starting off so bad. Like, I wasn't confident, but I didn't need confidence. I just needed to try, but I'm trying and I don't know what to do. If someone's over here when I come back, I'll just ask. How do people find stuff so fast? The way they just, they're just like, it's like a magnet. They're just pulled to their item. And I'm like, I don't know. Whoops. I look for the logos. I'm looking for a blue circular logo. I don't know why I'm giving tips. I mean, I guess I'm not giving tips. I'm giving a cry for help. At first, I'm looking for the brand. I'm in the Greek section. Oh, there it is. And they want two. Luckily, it's lots of the same items. Ooh, and these are the last two. Boom. Grape electrolytes for babies? Why are you giving your babies electrolytes? Okay, we got baby stuff. Baby needs. I don't think baby needs electrolytes, but I'm not the baby owner. Or baby parent? What is it called? Okay, baby, paper, diapers, body products. Where's the stuff that goes inside the babies? It's gotta be here. Maybe it's one of these and it's out. What's the price? $7. $7. Is their baby gonna die if I don't find this? Okay, it might just be out. Is it a medical product? Let me look it up. Pedialyte. I wonder if it's over here. Because when I looked it up, it's not just for babies, but maybe they need the baby version. I don't know. I'm starting to feel like this map isn't right. Like, why would Slim Jim be with beverages? Here it is. Oh, I don't know who that was for. Aisle 7, frozen keto bread. Ew. Keto bread. It's a red. Here it is. I meant to bring my cooler bag and I forgot. Do you have a pork neck bones?
We actually don't carry fresh pork neck bones.
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, no problem. Thanks. And they're out of, okay, well, at least I wasn't overlooking it. And then, what was I on? Publix brand spring water. No thanks. Okay. Can't find, refund. Oh, aisle 5. Sparkling water. Spindrift. All right, here's LaCroix. And this is for B. They better have, oh, here it is. Aisle 4, dry beans. Publix brand, they should be right here. Garbanzo. Here they are. Next up, aisle 4, right. Asian. Yeah, I might just come back to Publix. Oh, we're gonna knock out 1, 2, 3. Wait, this is for their pork though that they're not getting. They're gonna have all these like Asian pork products, but no pork. I mean, not my problem, I guess. Oyster sauce. Kumquat hoisin sauce. Water chestnuts. And honestly, this is giving me some ideas of like what I could eat. Boom, look at this. Oh wait, wrong one. This one. Get the non-dented can. Boom. One more. Kikkoman sesame oil. Yellow top. Yellow label. Kikkoman. So I guess one of my problems is I don't know when to stop looking because I do overlook items constantly, but other times they just don't have them. Oh, here it is. Let's not break anything. Okay, I don't see this. Aisle 3 left. Desserts. What else is way down? Oh, it's down here. How about that? 2 of these. We're way over halfway. Aisle 2. Chimpkin broth. I know what this stuff is because I am very educated. Chimpkin broth. Chimpkin. All right, which chimpkin? This chimpkin. Just one. Purple box. All right, we're gonna scan for purple. So basically, if you're colorblind, don't do this. Purple. Incorrect. Raisin? Okay, they're out of crunchy vanilla. Okay, so most of these are not gluten-free, but 2 of them are, so I told them which ones are gluten-free, and they can pick if they want one of those. Okay, I'll grab this one for now, and we'll come back if they change. In which case, we're almost done. Gotta do the produce. They both want strawberries. How about that? Oh, there they are. Raspberries right here. How about that? 2 raspberries. Blueberries right here. All the produce looks really good here. Pizza dough at the bakery. Oh, it's over here. The cart's getting kind of heavy to push with one hand. Pizza dough. Yeah, I'm looking for 16 ounces of pizza dough. Just like a ball of it.
Okay, should be like right over here.
Okay, yeah, that looks right. I appreciate it. Onions. Okay, overall this is going actually fine. Like, I'm fine with this. I feel like it's gonna be worth my time. Only problem's I'm farther than I thought. Okay. The ground chicken is probably chicken breast. So let's scan this. I guess just one? I don't know. Oh, this shouldn't be with the dough, should it? Okay, there we go. Oh, they don't want it. Okay, no chicken for you. We just have a bunch of Asian toppings and nothing to... All right, in that case, the very last item, that baby stuff, which I can't find. I'll do one more look and then we'll go to checkout. All right, they are out of the grape. I found the label, but they're okay with this replacement. Also, I think they bathe in it and don't drink it. Wait, do they drink it? Do your babies drink this? Can someone tell me? And with that, we are done. So I'm gonna just organize everything in the cart before we go to checkout. Oh, they have to confirm the backup, but whatever. It'll be confirmed. All organized, A, B. Now for B.
Select from list.
Oh, I didn't know there. Thanks. All right, I think that's it. Okay, I think I'll put one in the passenger seat and one in the back. Man, I can't fit very much back here. Well, this person's dinner is ruined. They have no meat. They just have water and seasoning. Boom. All right. Oh, there's some collards in the cart. All right, I feel pretty good about that. No, yeah, it's not like expert speed, but that was a big improvement, okay? So I would say I'm headed in the right direction with my Instacart career. Now let's see how far it is. Start delivery. We've got an hour to deliver, 17 minutes. That's not very close, but okay. Kind of far. All right, let's go. No backup camera today. I can't believe I went to a different Publix. It's the same thing that happened on my first DoorDash days. I was at a McDonald's and then I didn't realize that I had to go to a different McDonald's. All right. First one is done. Second one is just 8 minutes away. That's not too bad. And just like that, I've made $23.35. That was an hour and a half active time. I waited like 3 or 4 minutes, which wasn't bad. Out of curiosity, let's see the hourly. It's probably not best to calculate hourly on so few. Oh, $15 an hour. Okay, that's a 50% improvement. So I'm gonna take it, and I'm satisfied with that actually.